Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 3 of the 10-day drawing challenge. Today I'm doing a stylized drawing of a woman with flowers across her eyes. I've seen some lovely impressionistic pictures like this, paintings and drawings, so I wanted to go for it. This one I did in my art journal. For this one, you can get some magazines and get inspiration. This is from a Cosmo magazine. If you don't like the hair, get some other hair. I got flowers out of a bridal magazine, so you can just arrange them how you want. It's just for ideas. You don't have to copy it exactly. So you can glue this down, or you can just copy it like this. So you can start by drawing this. If you're not comfortable drawing the shape, you can even trace the shape if you want, just to get the basic shape. You could even get tracing paper and just trace over this if you like. You can just go around the shapes just to get the proportions right. And the eyes you don't need. And then you can just go around like that. So then you have like a little bit of idea for the proportions. It just actually transferred from the back of the magazine, and then you can just go ahead and draw it. You can do a similar style of drawing and use actual pressed flowers. Here's a drawing I did where I drew out the figure and then glued these pressed flowers on top. I did a bit of rubbing on the bottom for texture, added a bit of water to do some smudging, and I tinted it with a little bit of color pencil. These drawings are similar, except this is a picture out of a magazine for the skirt. The ballerina's drawn with color pencils. This one too, it's drawn with graphite and colored pencils, and then I cut out little tiny purple flowers for the skirt. This would look beautiful with pressed flowers as well. Thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more art videos and challenges. Details for the challenge are in the description below. Be sure to join my Facebook group, Heather Boyd Art. It's a private group by invitation only, so I'll pop in a link in the description below. And have fun with the challenges.